because this is the blood flow in the fingers before andesite glue put it on top of it. So the flow is very slow. Now we put andesite glue above the fingers, not yet attached, not yet a patch on it, just put on top of the finger. You see the flow of the blood now flow very, very fast. Okay, so this is the effect of the wave, the transdermal wave technology. So even the wave inside the page can help speeding up the flow of the blood. Okay, so you see the flow. So this is not yet, so it is not yet peel off. Okay, it's just the wave, the effect of the wave inside the page. Now we see what inside. So we put that andesite glue page under the microscope. So that is what inside the page. Okay, the red one is the red Korean ginseng. So there are other ingredients inside, nutrients. Okay, like the saponin, glucosamine, potassium, magnesium inside that page. Okay, so this is painless night glue. What inside of it? So these are the nutrients that will go inside our skin through our pores and straight to the capillaries, to our bloodstream. Okay, so this is the second fastest for nutrients to enter our body. The number one is from injections. So number two is from transdermal wave technology. So this is the cover of the page. Okay, the cover also has nutrients inside. Okay, you can put it inside of water, a glass of water, and you can drink it. So this also has nutrients inside. It will make the water alkaline. Okay, so that's the cover. Now next is melatonin. Melatonin is for people who have trouble sleeping, like insomnia, good also for cancer. So inside we have melatonin, we have also rose extract and lavender extract. So that is the ingredients inside the melatonin page. Okay, next is the omivia. So omivia, we know omega-3, CoQ10 inside. So we have DHEA and pregnenolone inside omivia. So those are the ingredients inside omivia: omega-3, CoQ10, DHEA, and pregnenolone. So this is good for the brains, for cardiovascular, anti-aging, skin renewing properties. So slim style is for slimming. So inside there is spirulina, palmitoyl tripeptide, L-carnitine, biozingiber, guarana, Garcinia cambogia, Camellia sinensis, next is B12 plus. It has vitamins inside. So it contains vitamin B12, vitamin E, vitamin B3, vitamin B1, folic acid, and vitamin C. So all those vitamins are very important for our body, various functions for our health, for our healthy organs. So simply patch it on our neck.